Hello, today I'm going to make a video of why I think Emiliano Martinez is the best goalkeeper on EAFC 24. Right here is going to make a crazy double save. Right there. That is crazy. Right here he is also going to make a good save. Right there. Right on the line. He saves it. Here he also makes a good save coming out. But I think the defender did some of the work too. You can see right here. That was very good. Right here it's a corner, and first he punches it away, and then he makes very good save. As you can see here, he makes some very good saves. There's also another one coming right now, you can see. Right there. The opponent runs with the ball and gets through the whole team. Then here it comes. Here he comes with an amazing reaction save right there. Definitely not because they shot right on the keeper, but a very good save. Here they take the ball from me, very unlucky, and then there comes an amazing foot save right there. Here there comes a amazing reach save. He reaches far down. As you can see here, I put a basic goalkeeping on him, which gives him a 99 diving, 99 handling, 98 kicking, 99 reflexes, like 92 speed and 99 positioning. Here you can see his playstyles. He has all playstyles filled out in the goalkeeping, but not any playstyle plus. I think the only keeper that has other playstyles than goalkeeping is Ederson with playstyle plus on the long ball. But he's not always good. As you can see on this picture here, he gets one save and concedes 9 goals with the opponent having 10 shots on target. That's very bad. If you have any other goalkeepers or players you want me to test, then write it in the comments. I can do on EAFC Mobile or just EAFC 24. I most like doing it on goalkeepers, but I can do players too.